Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Heron's formula together, step by step. Sometimes we know a triangle's three sides, but not its height. Heron's formula lets us find the area from the sides alone. We'll learn it and apply it to triangles and quadrilaterals. The familiar formula is 1/2 times base times height. But this needs the height, which we don't always have. That's where Heron's formula comes to the rescue. First, find S, the semi-perimeter, which is half the sum of the three sides. Then the area is the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus circa, just the three sides, no height needed. For a triangle with sides 3, 4, and 5, the semi-perimeter is 6. Heron's formula gives the square root of 6 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is the square root of 36, an area of 6 square units. For an equilateral triangle of side 10, the semi-perimeter is 15. The area is the square root of 15 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is the square root of 1,875, that simplifies to 25 root 3 square units. To find the area of a quadrilateral, draw a diagonal to split it into two triangles. Use Heron's formula on each, then add the two areas together. So for a four-sided field, the diagonal gives two triangles. Apply Heron's formula to each triangle using its three sides, then sum the results for the total area. A powerful, practical method. To recap, compute the semi-perimeter, then take the square root of S times the three differences. No height is required, and quadrilaterals are handled by splitting them into triangles. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.